Do you have a dowdy fireplace you'd like to make over? Are you planning to paint it? Or do you think you'll go to some kind of decor hell if you do that? Let's talk options. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. Roominess brings you straightforward steps to an inviting home. Leave me a comment below on what you think about painting bricks. A commenter on house.com updated the cabinets around their fireplace, then felt that the fireplace looked dated next to the cabinets. It's a common decor problem. The commenter's first thought was to paint the bricks. Now, I don't have a problem with that. It's their house and it's their bricks. What I noticed about the situation was that the fireplace bricks were a high contrast with the cabinets in terms of color, texture, and style. A triple whammy. That kind of high contrast can disturb us as homeowners. Just for fun, let's explore some other ways that you can address this contrast without painting the fireplace. In this case, I suggested the homeowner could use clean-lined, large, white accessories on the fireplace and rustic accessories on the cabinets. That could bridge the gap between the two. The problem becomes the opposite when you have a modern fireplace in a more rustic or cottage-style interior. Here, I might pull out traditional accessories that have a more minimal and modern line to adorn the fireplace, giving a nod to its sleekness, but tying it back in to the decor of the rest of the room. Now, suppose you tried those ideas and the fireplace still looks out of place. You mean on the off chance that your free advice is worthless? An expensive option is to reface your fireplace in a stone or tile. The advantage of this is that no one will give you grief about painting brick. Whether you want to spend a small fortune to avoid guilt is up to you. Marble is how much? No thanks. Therapy is cheaper. A compromise solution is to apply a wash to the bricks rather than fully painting them. Then you can adjust the color and contrast with the rest of your decor, but keep the classic brick feeling. The most debated option, of course, is painting the bricks. Like I said before, it's your home, your bricks, and your choice if you want to do that. A neutral color can help your bricks blend into the wall. In the house example, I might go with a flat, light grayish color to mimic the look of limestone. Still a classic, but a cleaner look. Of course, if you're painting bricks around a working fireplace, consult your local paint store for the proper kind of paint, follow the manufacturer's instructions, yada yada, fine print, boilerplate, ba-boom. What do you think about it? Would you paint bricks? Leave me a comment below and let's talk about it. Thanks for watching.